Step 1. Select your color. Step 2. Click Customize. Step 3. Choose mounting method. Step 4. Choose mounting type. Step 5. Select your width and length. Step 6. Choose your options. Step 7. Enter exact window size and any additional information or special requirements, optional. Step 8. Add to cart. All done.